On a personal note, with respect to medical malpractice, my own father, who was a great man and who trusted his doctors, unfortunately to his detriment, died as a result of medical malpractice. I was with him when he passed away. My mother was with him. It was a sudden, violent death that was caused because there was a miscommunication between the doctors that were taking care of him and the nurse who discharged him from the hospital. And my father was supposed to have been discharged on a certain medication that would have protected him from what happened. But the nurse testified that the doctor had said, no, he didn't need that medicine anymore. And the doctor said, oh, I never said that to the nurse. So there was a clear disconnect between the doctor and the nurse in the care and treatment of my father, who only went in to have knee surgery. It was minor knee surgery. And he ended up dying from a violent pulmonary embolism 3 days later because he didn't get the medications that he needed. And then we were involved in litigation for years in that case, only to find out at the end of the day that the hospital and the hospital's attorneys had been involved in what appeared to be, in my opinion, essentially a cover-up to try and cover up what had happened. Knowing that there had been mistakes made, they hid documents from us, concealed documents from us for years. And at the end of that case, the judge was so, when all this information finally came out, the judge was so upset with what the hospital had done that he imposed severe sanctions against the hospital as a result of their misconduct. So I understand what the victims of medical malpractice go through because I've been through it myself. I know how healthcare professionals cover things up. I know how patients trust their doctors and believe that their doctors are doing the right thing. And listen, many times, like I said, the doctors are. But there's a lot of times when they're not, or there's a lot of times when the doctors are too busy, the nurses are too busy, they have too many patients, they're seeing too many patients, they're trying to make their numbers for the hospital or for their own personal private practice, and mistakes get made along the way. So while I have great respect for the medical profession, I know that there are a lot of bad actors out there, a lot of bad physicians and a lot of bad healthcare providers, and people need to be careful. They need to get second opinions, and they need to, if it's a doctor they've never met before, they really need to investigate them these days before they become that doctor's patient.